First, open up fonts.google.com in your web browser. Next, if you know the font you're looking for, just type the name in the search box. If not, you can use the filters and browse for a font you like. Once you find your font, give it a click. From here, you can change the font preview text and size if you like. This can be helpful if you plan to use this font for something specific, like a hero banner, where you might want to see exactly how that's going to look. Next, you need to select the font styles and weights for your website. I would recommend at least selecting the normal and bold weights in most cases. You may also want the italic styles. A few tips here: select only the styles that you plan to use. Otherwise, you're adding load to your website for no reason. Also be aware that any style that you don't select cannot be used on your website. So if you only select the normal version, you can't bold any of the text that uses this font. Once you've selected your styles, copy the code in the Use for Web section by clicking this button. And if you don't mind, click the like button on this video, and also subscribe if you want to see more tips like this. Now we can move on to our HTML code. Inside of the head section, paste the code that you just copied and save your file. Now we can refresh our website, and we see that nothing happened. That's because we need to add some CSS rules to make use of our new font. Let's head back to the fonts website and scroll down to the CSS rules to specify font families section, and click the copy button. Now move back into your code and paste the CSS anywhere in your style sheet that you want this font to appear. I've added this to the body tag to apply it as a default font for my entire website. Let's give our page another refresh, and you can see that our new font is now in use.